Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to do problem number 5 in this week's problem set. So the problem is Bob and Alice were at opposite ends of the pool that is 135 feet wide. They start swimming towards each other at time t equals 0. Alice swims at a rate of 3 feet per second and Bob swims at a rate of 5 feet per second. They swim back and forth for 10 minutes, assuming no loss of time at the turns. How many times will Bob and Alice cross each other during their 10-minute swim? And at what time during their 10-minute swim will they cross each other for the last time? So, to get part A, how many times will Bob and Alice cross each other during their 10-minute swim, you have to find out how many times they cross each other, like how often they cross each other, right? So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to draw a graph where f of t is the distance that Alice is from the first edge of the pool after t seconds, and g of t, the distance from the first edge that Bob is after t seconds. So I have a little graph a little picture right here. So as we can see, Alice starts at the first edge of the pool, so she's gonna be going away for the first however long she's there. And then Bob starts at the far end of the pool, so he's going to start 135 feet away. So this is f of t. You can see this graph right here. So Alice, over 45 seconds, she goes to the 135 feet, the farthest that she'll be. And it takes Bob 27 seconds to get to the other end of the pool, so for him to get back to 0. And so every time that these two graphs cross, is a time that Bob and Alice cross when they're going across the pool. So as you can see, after I drew a graph, and after 135 seconds, they cross 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So every 135 seconds, they'll cross 5 times. So they're going for 10 minutes, so that's going to be 600 seconds. And when you divide that by 135, you get 4.44, and if you plug that in, you find out that after 10 minutes they've crossed 22 times. And then for the second part, it says at what time during their 10-minute swim will they cross each other for the last time. So what you have to do is find out when the last time. So they're gonna cross, the 22nd time will be their last time. So it takes them 9 minutes to cross 20 times, because we do 135 is 5, so that 4 times is going to be 9 minutes, and then we have to see how long it takes for them to get to the 22nd time. So it's going to be 9 minutes plus however long it takes to get 2 times. So that's going to actually take them, you can find out by looking at your graph and seeing when they cross. So we're actually going to look, and it's going to be 9 plus, so if we look at the graph, we find out that it actually takes 54 seconds to get to the second point. And then you do 54 divided by 60 to find out the decimal, because it wants it in minutes. So that's going to be 0.9. So your answer is going to be, they crossed for the last time at 9.9 minutes.